Welcome to Tech Talk with eTech. I'm Tech Bob. Today's all about gadgets. Let's talk tech. First up, we have the W28 programmer and tester. We use this for testing parts externally mainly, such as batteries, lightning cables, things like that. Also, having the ability to reprogram or allow for true tone functionality. This saves a ton of time because you're not having to fully install a battery, turn the phone on, potentially having it completely done and then realize the battery's defective or there's an issue with it. So this is a really portable gadget, as you can see. I can technically fit this in my pocket, which I think I've forgotten it in my pocket a couple times before, but you can go mobile with it. So if you are a mobile tech, not necessarily have in a shop, you can take this around too. This tool is one of my favorites. This is the fiber laser machine that we use for back glass replacement and engraving, which solves a problem that came into the industry with newer devices that have back glass adhered to the frame with an epoxy that you can't remove with your standard heat gun or heat pad methods. The laser actually burns through the adhesive, the epoxy holding down the back glass. So right now, once I ensure the alignment is good to go, when I hit mark, you'll see the action start. So right now you'll see the fiber laser actually going through the template on the computer. You'll notice it has these little cutouts in certain sections. That's to protect the internals of the device. We don't take the device apart to do the back glass. It saves with time and it's not needed, but it's because of these cutouts that we're able to do that. This prevents damage to camera or the board level section. This prevents damage to the charging port, and this is the wireless charging pad. It's been a pretty big game changer for us because now that we have this, we're able not only to do it for our local repair business, but also help out shops that don't have a machine. Plus, it's a laser. Lasers are cool. If you want parts, tools, and knowledge, Tech Talk with eTech has you covered. Tech Bob out.